Wait a minute. Before you pay for expensive editing software or stress over learning complicated apps, watch this. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create a professional video using only your phone, step by step, using InVideo AI. By the end, you'll know exactly what to type, what to tap, how to fix mistakes, and how to export a clean video ready for YouTube. Mess on, if you like time-saving tech tips like this, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. It's free and it helps the channel keep dropping quick wins. All right, step one is getting set up the right way. Open your browser or open the InVideo AI app, whichever you use. Log into your account. If you're brand new, create your account and choose the plan that works for you. Now make sure your phone is ready. Turn your brightness up so you can see clearly. Turn your volume down if you're screen recording so you don't capture extra sound. And if you're using stock clips, remember, keep them muted so your voice stays clean, with the step caption displayed as the main on-screen element. Now, step two, start a new project. Tap Create or New Video. When you tap Create or New Video, this is where your video officially starts. Take a second here and don't rush. This screen is setting the foundation for everything that comes next. At this point, the app is preparing to ask you how you want to build your video. What you choose next determines how much control you'll have later. This is also where many beginners click too fast and end up with a video that feels rushed or incomplete. So pause right here and pay attention to what shows up on your screen. You'll usually see options like text to video, AI video generator, script to video. Choose the option that lets you type your idea or script, because the better your input, the better your output. Now, step three, choose your format. This is where people mess up. If you're making a YouTube short, pick vertical 9:16. If you're making a regular YouTube video, pick horizontal 16:9. If you choose the wrong format, your text gets cut off and your visuals look awkward. So decide right now, vertical for shorts, horizontal for long videos. Now, step four is the secret sauce. Your prompt. Don't just type, make a video about cooking or make a video about iPhone tips. That's too vague. Instead, you want a clear prompt like this. Create a 7-minute step-by-step tutorial video that teaches beginners how to make pro videos on a phone using InVideo AI. Use simple language, short sentences, and clear steps. Include a hook, 3 quick tips, and a strong ending CTA. That's the difference between a random video and a clean professional video. Now, step 5, choose your visual style. Pick something clean and readable. Avoid styles that are too busy or full of tiny text. If the style has big captions and modern graphics, that's usually a win. Now, for visuals, use phone-related stock footage only, hands holding phones, screen recordings, phone screens, typing prompts, tapping buttons. And remember, keep your stock clips silent so your narration stays the star. Now, step 6, let me show you the common problems and how to fix them fast. Problem 1, the narrator sounds too loud or like they're yelling. Fix, lower narration volume to around 70–85% and add light compression if available. Problem 2, the visuals don't match what you're saying. Fix, replace those clips manually. Search keywords like phone typing, mobile app, hand using smartphone. Problem 3, the video comes out too short. Fix, add more steps, add examples, and tell the tool, do not shorten. Keep the final video no less than 7 minutes. If this is helping you already, drop a comment that says Phone Pro so I know you want more phone-only tutorials. Now, step 7, export it the right way. Choose the best quality you can, usually 1080p if available. Make sure captions are readable. Watch the first 10 seconds and the last 10 seconds before you download. Those are the parts that make people stay or leave. Then download, upload to YouTube, and add your title, description, and hashtags. And that's how you create professional videos on your phone, step by step, without a laptop. If you want, I can also give you my exact copy and paste prompt that forces better visuals, better pacing, and cleaner captions. Final reminder, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.